Three little cats boarded a train one day. Each had a destination in a different way. The train chugged along through hills and valleys wide, dropping off each cat at their own home with pride. First stop, Whisker's house with a garden so fair. The train dropped her off with a gentle air. Next stop, Fluffy's place with a view of the sea. The train bid her adieu with a friendly spree. Last stop, Mitten's home with a cozy little nest. The train dropped her off and took a well-deserved rest. But the train's work wasn't done, it had more to share. Fruits and treats for each cat to show it cared. Apples for Whiskers, bananas for Fluffy too. Oranges for Mittens, a special treat for each crew. The next day, the train came